If your Pixel 10 keeps turning Bluetooth off by itself, it's likely caused by a temporary glitch or a corrupted connection. You can fix this issue by refreshing your Bluetooth settings and removing any old or faulty connections. Let's start with the basic fixes. Restart your Pixel 10 to clear temporary system bugs that might be interfering with Bluetooth. Then swipe down from the top right corner to open Quick Settings and toggle Bluetooth off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. If the problem continues, unpair and repair your device. Open Settings, tap Connected Devices, and tap the gear icon next to the affected device. Choose Forget and then confirm it. After that, reconnect it to your phone. Still having trouble? Try resetting the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings of your phone. Open Settings again, tap System, and select Reset Options. Tap Reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then confirm the reset. This will erase all saved Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connections and refresh the system's wireless configurations. After restarting your phone, pair your Bluetooth device again. Fixing Bluetooth that keeps turning off on Pixel 10 can take a few tries, but these steps usually resolve the issue. If this video helped you restore your Bluetooth connection, please give it a like or watch another video for more Pixel 10 troubleshooting tips.